Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Galaxy here on 2012 plate 13. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. Before you do anything, switch the ignition on, as you'd see, then press the brake and accelerator pedal together. As you'd see here, now I say service all reset. Don't let go of the brakes, count up to 15 seconds. Once it's done, it'll come up reset complete. That's it, reset complete. All you do then is press OK, let go of the clutch and brake, switch the ignition off, start the car up, and it's all run. That's all you got to do in your car as well. If you need any more information, do let us know. This Ford Galaxy 2 litre diesel takes 5.6 litres of engine oil. Thank you, goodbye.